guys, and welcome back to my channel. So before we get started, go ahead and subscribe and hit the little bell button so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. So just jumping right in, I'm going to be reviewing a few different products today, a product line, and also some other products. I don't even know what to call them, but you'll see in a second. So just going in and starting, Mane Like Me has come out with a new shampoo and conditioner, and I'm really excited to try these out. I did a review on her hair pudding and her scalp oil a couple months ago, maybe like 2 or 3 months ago, not really sure. And I said in that video that I wanted to get the revitalizer, which is the leave-in, to try out with the products the next time around. But then she came out with her shampoo and conditioner, and she was kind enough to send me all of the products. So I finally got the leave-in, and I also get to try out the shampoo and conditioner. I'm really excited about that. So that's that. And then also, if you haven't already saw by the picture in the title, the wave formers. I am trying these out. I have been seeing everybody use these. And I was like, I think I want to try that. Yeah. So I got some, and we are going to try them out. I got 3 packs, so I got 36 altogether. They come, I think most people have gotten like 4 packs, which is like 48, I believe. But yeah, I just figured I'd get 36. I don't think I'm gonna use them that often, and I also don't think I need that many. So they come in a bunch of different lengths. I got the 50 centimeter. I don't remember if it's in centimeters or inches. I think it's centimeters. But anyway, my hair is not that long, so I didn't need to get the 65 or nothing like that. But I got the 50. I don't even think my hair is going to cover all of that. But I was being hopeful and going for a little bit longer so that I can grow into them. But yeah, we're going to try that out. But I'm going to demonstrate the shampoo and conditioner for you guys. So I have my hair looking crusty and busty. So I just wanted you guys to see my whole wash process. So I'm gonna go wet my hair, and then I'll be back. So I am back, and I wet my hair, and it is ready for the shampoo. So just to tell you a little bit about the Mane Like Me shampoo, this is what it looks like. It comes in, this is a 12 ounce? Yes, they get a lot of product. So just a few of the things that are in here. Disclaimer, no parabens, no petroleum jellies, no sulfates, silicone free, formaldehydes, all that bad stuff. There is aloe, mint, shea, argan, jojoba, and sea buckthorn in here. Let's just see what it smells like. It smells good. It smells just like her other products. The curl pudding. I can't talk. It smells just like the curl pudding. I can't put my finger on what it smells like though. I don't know what this smells like, but it smells really good. So let's just get into it and see how it works. It has a really good lather. Like legit, as soon as I put my hands in my hair, it started to lather up. Okay, bye-bye towel. God. It feels very soft on my hair. Oh my gosh. Can't control it, can I see it? Oh, man. and my hair is all rinsed out, and it feels really moisturizing. Like, it feels so soft. And my scalp feels like a little tingly, and I think it's because of the mint, but I like that feeling. It's not too much, but yeah, it feels good. And my hair feels really nice and soft and moisturized. So I really like the shampoo. So moving on to the conditioner. This is what it looks like. So you can use this conditioner as a co-wash. You can detangle your hair with it. You can also leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes for a deep condition. So it has a lot of different uses, which is cool. So this is what this looks like. Hold on, let me get this together. This is very creamy. I'm just gonna put some all over my hair just to begin with, and then I'll go in smaller sections and put it on more intertangles. It goes on really smooth. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more, just so I can coat my entire section and begin to detangle. Very easy to get my fingers through it. Like, there's not much resistance, no real tangles in my hair. I'm just gonna go in with my brush. So now I'm just going to put on my plastic cap, and I'm going to sit under my dryer for 20 minutes, and then I will come back with those results. Okay, so I rinsed out my conditioner, and my hair feels really, really super soft. So I definitely like both the shampoo and conditioner a whole lot, and they will definitely be in my regimen. So now I'm going to go in with the 10-in-1 revitalizer, and it's 10-in-1 because you can moisturize with it, condition, maximize softness and shine, enhance curl pattern, soothe itch, eliminate dandruff, detangle, reduce hair loss, decrease hair breakage, and promote healthy hair growth. So that's a lot. So I'm just going to spray this all over my sections. I already went ahead and section off my hair into 4 sections just so I can begin the process. I don't want to make this video too long. But yeah, I'm just going to spray this all over. Make sure I am covering all my strands. Alright, so the leave-in is in, and I'm going to go in with the hair pudding, and this is going to be my styler for my wave formers. So to get into the wave formers, this is what they look like outside of the pack, and I know you guys have seen a bunch of videos on this already, so I'm not going to go into too much detail about them. But this is what they look like, and there's no difference between the colors. They just come in blue and yellow. And so with each pack, you get one of these little hooks to put the wave former on. I just want to show you guys how to put it on really quick. Well, how to put it together. So you just kind of put it in the opening. It's really super easy, and snap it into place. And I hear that these are really flimsy, so I went ahead and I got this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is a curl former hook, and I got this from Sally's. So if it gets if it gets really flimsy for me, then I'll probably just switch over to that one. But yeah, so this is what the stick looks like, and then you just slide your wave former on it, and bam, there you go. Alright, so I'm just going to section off my hair. I think that will be good enough. That's a good enough size. And I'm probably just going to speed through this and cut some stuff out, just for the sake of time. I don't want to be here forever, and I don't want y'all to have to watch no long old video. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of the product to my hair. I'm going to break that in. And I heard that it works best if you kind of like twist the root of your hair a little bit and then hook it on there. Woo! I got the first one in. Okay. I was a little nervous. It wasn't going through. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. Everything about you calling out to me. I got to hold ya. Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. I'm a victim of love calling out to heaven above for ya. Back after drying my hair. I set into my dryer for like an hour and then I just air dried. So I'm not totally sure if they're dry or not, but we're just gonna go with it anyway. So there's no real intricate way to take these things out. You just literally pull on it and it comes right out. I can probably just pull a bunch of them at the same time. Got me going crazy, can't control it, cannot see it all. Man. Oh. Sorry, I had to fix my lighting. But this is what it's looking like all out. So now I'm just going to go in with the oil. So this is my hair all fluffed out. I like it. I do like it, but do I think that I'm gonna do it again? It took a little bit for me to get the hang of the process. And it actually didn't take too long. It took an hour. So I do want to do that again to get these results. I don't know. I think I might. I think it's really cute. An alternative to get like a straight look without straightening. But yeah, I think it came out pretty cool. What y'all think? I don't know. Let me know. I'm gonna do a 360 for y'all. That is all I have for you guys. If you stayed to the end of the video, you are a real one. Thank you. And if you just skimmed through, that's fine too. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you didn't, give it a thumbs up. But like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.